Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. So, today's video is going to be... Oh my god, I just threw this at you. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? You're okay. Okay, so today's video, this is a long overdue. This is literally like... Y'all, I don't even want to say how long I've had this for, but I'm pretty sure I got something in here that's going to tell me how old this is. This is going to be the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie No.2 palette. I bought this in November, and I'm barely opening it now. So, you know, here I am with the palette finally that I bought in November, and I've never opened it, so here I am. Laura girl, I'm sorry, but look at how cute she is. She's like a little Miss Thing, little nudie patootie #2, Nudie #2. She's so cute. I just have to take all of this shit off of it. Look at that. Wow, so pretty. And then I also got the lipsticks with it. And this one is in the shade Show Off. That's Show Off. And then this one is in the shade Skimpy. So I have Skimpy and Show Off here. And then I have Miss Nudie #2. And yeah. Oh look, she even gave a little sticker. Oh, it just says to and from. Because you're supposed to buy this for Christmas. Like, there's a little postcard and it just says, thank you for your purchase. Oh, I could use 20% of my next purchase. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and get into this because I already have pretty much everything on. I have my foundation, my little bronzing, and my little highlight, which is not Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. I have, oh no girl, I'm sorry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and just start using these cute little Nudie #2 shades. And look at the little palette, so cute. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do like a little natural sorta dark. I think I really want to use this shade, that pink shade. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna go right into it and just put this all over my eye. Put it all over the goddamn lid. And this is just a R39 brush. And so I'm just gonna start stamping it right here and just swooping it around because that's what I want to do. That's so pretty so far. I love this like nudie like rose gold sort of shade. And then I'm just, what is this, stippling? Flicking out, you know, I like to flick out. And yeah, this is really like such an easy little pink, little cute little girly moment. I'm gonna take like a pretty fluffy, a fluffer. I'm gonna take this little fluffer right here and just, you know, just diffuse, just like that. Just diffuse her out. Just like that, just let it go. And then I'm gonna take some of this shade Low Cut into another brush. I'll take it into a Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is, I don't know, L18. So this is like one of those kind of brushes. We're gonna take Low Cut here, this shade, and tap it all off and just place it there. Right in the end, the outer corner. just to deepen it out just a little bit in that outer corner there. And then I'm gonna go back in with our, it's called a blushing shade, and just sort of, you know, tap that at the edge, just to diffuse that other shade. I was starting to grab the wrong brush for a second. So going back into blush and just tapping that. Tapping that all over the place. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take a little more brush. I'm gonna take this one. This is a Lunar Beauty one. And I'm gonna tap into that low cut shade, this one right here. Just tap into it just a little bit more. And just really like stamp it in over here. And I'm gonna even put it in the inner corner just a little bit. Just to sort of do kind of like a halo eye, but not really. And then I'm gonna take another little tiny brush like that. I'll take, I'm gonna take this another little brush. This is a Luxie brush. I'm gonna take it into this deepest shade here, this like burgundy plum color. It's called Risque, and I'm gonna take it right in that very like outer corner, just to deepen it out there, and then just like hit it right here in the inner corner. That's a pretty shade. I like that shade. And then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take another sort of little fluffer, and I'm gonna take that into low cut and just go from that Risque shade into the low cut. And just pull it towards the center. And then we're gonna go right back in to our little, this shade here, this blushing shade, and just tap it like this just to make everything blend seamlessly. Then I'm gonna go again into this shade, this lightest shade here, and I'm gonna put this in the middle just to help lighten it up like slightly. I'm really digging this right now. Then I'm gonna go back into this one and just do one of these. Ooh, that's real pretty. And this is Bum. This is the shade Bum right here. It's like a kind of like a peachy orange. And I'm just tapping it like ever so slightly right into the middle. Like kind of doing a, what is it, halo eye. And just like that, that is going to be my little my this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. And I'll be right back with some lashes. And I'm gonna put this lipstick on real quick. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. This is the final eye look. These lashes suck. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on, I'm gonna put this one on. This is the Skimpy shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on, or you know what, let's do both of them. Let's do a little ombre. So we're gonna go ahead and start with Miss, what is this shade? Show Off. We're just gonna put this on the outers. Okay, so that is Show Off. And then we're gonna go ahead and take Skimpy and just put it in the middle. Let's do that. Alrighty, so that is Miss completed look with Miss Nudie No.2 and both of the lipsticks. So that is it guys, and I hope you like this video. And I do look a little oily, but you know, it is what it is. All right, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.